What is this? Is this the last one?
I think there's 2 more.
Oh, okay, never mind. I spotted this. This is the new thing. I noticed this first at a basketball game event. I don't know if we did the clip or not. The thing now is that the PETA activists will like to glue themselves.
Oh, is it that girl who glued herself on the NBA floor?
Is it the same reason?
The game floor?
I'm assuming it's a trend or something.
Yeah.
No?
I don't know.
I think we did a clip on it.
We did do a clip.
But I don't know her premise.
We never found out why.
But I just felt like the glue thing was taken off. Oh, shout out Jesse. Thank you. Shout out Michael. But anyway, whatever. It seems they officially put on their Facebook by the look of it, PETA's Facebook account, and they're mad at Starbucks. And they go in there and they super glue their own hand to the counter.
Okay. What's their cause?
Not your mom, not your milk is their cause. So they don't want you to be drinking the milk.
Oh, I see.
And so they're glued there with their hand.
I got to place my order looking at this guy.
Well, here's the thing. I don't know why it's more effective with the glue.
I think Mo's right. When you're going up to the counter, I guess you'll have to hear a spiel from one of these people.
Yeah, but what does the glue have to do with it?
I think it might just be symbolic. Like, we're here. We're not going anywhere.
No. But the hands are glued.
I understand.
Like, if someone wants to escort them out, they would probably have to physically, hurt them to
so they
remove
can't,
their hand.
Exactly. Interesting. It's like chaining yourself to a tree. Like,
okay, so get the chain out. Your hand is going to be destroyed after this.
Yes.
Well, what if you have to go to the bathroom?
There's so many problems with this.
That's a huge problem.
I think you go with a diaper on or something. You go prepared for it.
Right.
Like, what if you want to sit? You can't sit.
I don't even know what this has to do with
protesting.
Starbucks, though. Like, what? You got to go to work now, and then this is what's happening?
It seems like her shirt says they're charging more for vegan milk.
Well, who is?
Starbucks, I'm assuming. I don't know, man. I'm just trying to make sense out of this.
Well, what are you talking about? Like almond milk and stuff?
Yeah.
Well, they don't set the price on that. They buy it. They don't make their own almond milk.
I'm not saying this is a good protest. I'm just trying to figure out why they're protesting.
Well, I wanted to focus, to be honest with you, more on the gluing tactic.
Yeah, it's a bizarre one.
You're damaging your own hand.
Mm-hmm.
Is it actually super glue? Because have you ever got super glue on your hand before? It like ruins that section of skin for a while.
For a while, yeah.
Can you imagine it across your whole palm? And glass would be very... is this a thing that should be applauded? That people should be encouraged to glue their hands to things? I would imagine.
You'll probably have to pay for damages too on the glass. Someone has to clear it.
I would just imagine that some people would be inspired by this, and then they would pick up some bad glue product that's going to do even worse things.
Like the Gorilla Glue story with the lady who wanted to have her hair.
Oh, okay. I'm sure there's
things go out of hand.
I'm sure there's many toxic products that adhesives that people could try could be inspired by. Now, I don't know. Maybe I am missing something here. It is possible I'm missing something here.
Like the glue doesn't cause damage. It's not super glue. It's just some like basic glue.
But
even then, if some impressionable individual sees the thing and they go, "I'm down for the cause," and then they go to the store and pick up the glue, it just doesn't seem, I don't know, fully fleshed out.
Yeah.
Like handcuffs would have been just
handcuffs,
as good.
Yes. Yeah, that would have worked.
And yeah, I don't know. This glue one's...
But the glue one, this is the second time I've seen it now. It seems to be a glue thing, and maybe I am missing something. It's possible that like glue is I don't know. They used to say they will make glue out of dead horses.
Dead horses. Yeah, I was just thinking that.
It's like,
I'm
what's
sure
that
people-
Simpsons commercial or Simpsons show? That episode is just like, you won't eat our meat, but you glue with our feet. When she was like hallucinating or something.
Oh yeah. Wait, yeah,
Lisa?
yeah, I remember that. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm guessing their glue doesn't have that in it. The vegan glue probably got some other stuff in it. Probably got even nastier chemicals in it that you're showcasing, putting, and you're promoting it. You put it on the page.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about this move.
You put.
I'm not even sure what they're asking for.
Well, they're trying to tell you that you can't order the milk.
Right. But what are they asking Starbucks to do? Like, just get rid of milk? You ruined their entire business goes away.
Well, I mean, you saw the T-shirt. They want them to subsidize they want them to lose money on the other milks when they put the almond or whatever it is in there.
Yeah.
I mean, and the almond milk has its own issues.
Of course. Nothing's free. Nothing's
Go ahead.
free.
Go ahead, Mo.
You know, the thing is, like, I would just have a conversation with you and I would be going ahead.
Okay.
But then you say go ahead and I forget everything that I was going to say.
Yeah, you really derail train of thoughts here.
Train of thought. Isn't that an interesting idea? That
You're on the tracks.
somehow it's not solid enough to hold on to. That it is traveling through your mind and it has the potential to escape. That is weird.
Yeah.
That I can make two noises with my mouth and then you are a different man.
Yeah. Dude, it happens to me a lot more than you think. I'm like, where was I going with this?
Where was I going with this?
Yeah.
Or you can be like Vin and you can just interrupt yourself.
Forget that thought. Moving on to the next one.
Yeah. Well, Go Ahead, I think, was a development over time of like me just talking so much.
Yeah.
And then trying to, and then the natural thing of saying, you can go now.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm done.
If you want to. If you have a take, it's all yours.
Yeah.
But that's the part where both you and Will have this a very similar reaction to. There will be no take.
Yeah.
There will be no take. But do you have a take?
He lost it.
Yeah.
No, you can get it. You can get it back. Obviously. Okay, so the glue. Oh, look at this. Glue is usually vegan. Historically, a lot of glue was made from collagen in animal hides, bones, and fish. But today, most manufacturers have switched to synthetic adhesives made from petroleum. Oh, there. Support the oil business. Oh, my God. Support Russian oil. It's like, it's crazy, isn't it? But it is. It is no freebie.
There's no freebie.
Everything you want, there's some residual, some effect of the thing that you want.
Some consequences.
Absolutely. You bring into question the whole thing. Like, should you be going to a store to buy an individual coffee or should you be making it yourself? Which is the lesser of the impacts? And everyone picks their causes, the ones that matter to them. And then every so often they overlap like this and things get very strange.
Yeah.
And glue gets involved. But again, I honestly, my main interest in this set of photos is the gluing part, because I understand their point on the milk. I understand that that's what they've been doing forever. I understand their T-shirts. I don't understand the gluing. The gluing I don't understand.
I agree.
You wanna find another way to secure yourself, okay, but to take your skin and glue it to a surface. I'm not feeling it, Will.
No, I hear you.
I'm just not feeling it. Shout out, Brevin. Brevin just told me, he just said, go ahead, Lou.
Yeah, how do you like that?
I love it. Oh, you want me to go ahead? I'm glad you finally asked.
Oh, crap.
Actually, the last thing I need is any more go ahead.
You need less.
Shut it down, Lou.